What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will anyways, today I'll be taking y'all on a trip to the beach. Right, the beach is a lovely place where you can just relax and enjoy yourself and so forth. I'm gonna show you guys a funny dude on the beach. Ah! Alright, so make sure you go like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. So when I post, you guys get notified. Alright, let's go. When me boys they know fast money don't show, no one can control. Yawn. Outside. The outside is lovely. Look at the view. Hold up. So pretty. Look at the pretty. So pretty. Woo! Yeah man. I'm going to take a little dip. Tip. So guys, we are walking. Yeah, we're walking. Walking. Towards water. You cool. Recording boy. Stop. Ala in the water. Ala in the water, Nicole. In the water. Ala in the water. Stop, kid. I'm with you. Water out. Deal with you. I come from the beach to water. Cause my back hurt to me. So I'm out. Anyways, yo. Anyways. So, I'm give all the inside and grenade and thing. And all this water then come about. Here we go. Alright, so Grenada is full of all kind of people and thing, right? The island is basically it's one of the islands / countries, whatever you want to call it, that has one of the clearest waters, I must say. And I know what they're trying to do. Anyways, I'm continuing this video. Continue it. Anyways, guys, so as I was saying, Grenada is a small island where you'll find beautiful sandy beaches. I must say, it's wonderful. It's wonderful down here. Very, very wonderful. So, I've been interacting with some persons overseas, whether it's by family, by friends, by like online. You chat with them and they ask where you're from, get to know them, and you say Grenada or some other Caribbean island, and they be like, what's that? I don't know why, but yeah. And then when they describe and they be like, oh, and then talking about the beaches and so forth, they be like, they want to come here because they heard other person say it's clear and they never really experience clear waters. You check what I'm trying to say? My back. So yeah, yeah, so like that's basically it for today's video. Yeah, like I wanted to make the video a little bit longer. I don't know why I'll tell all these details for, but my back is hurting me very, very, very bad. I don't know why, but I need to go take a little nap or rest because my back is hurting. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button, give me a little subscription, you know, blah 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 blah, blah. And I'll see you next time. Peace. It can't come off. I had to wait until eating. I wait. Bye.